English online class. So students, today we are going to study one chapter from our English literature book. For that you can open your book and will do reading. Along with that you can also do reading. So let's start our chapter number 10 of our English book, the MCC. So this chapter, the MCC, is written by R.K. Narayan, and so let's study or let's see about the author of this chapter, the MCC, R.K. Narayan. As R.K. Narayan is in full Rashipuram name, his full name is Rashipuram Krishnan Swami Narayana. Original name Rashipuram Krishnan Swami Narayan Swami. He was born on October 10, 1906 in Madras, Chennai, India, and he died on May 13, 2001, Madras. So when he was born on October 10, 1906 and died on May 13, 2001. One of the finest Indian authors of his generation, writing in English. Reared by his grandmother, Narayan completed his education in 1930 and briefly worked as a teacher before deciding to devote himself to writing. His first novel, Swami and Friends, 1935, is an episode narrative recounting the adventures of a group of school boys. And the main thing about our chapter, this chapter, the MCC, is one of the episode of his, that we can say one of the story of his episodes of Swami and Friends, 1935. That book and much of Narayan's later work are set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. Narayan typically portrayed the peculiarities of human relationship and the ironies of Indian daily life, in which modern urban existence clashes with ancient tradition. His style is graceful, marked by a genial humor, elegance, and simplicity. Among the best received of the Narayan's 34 novels are The English Teacher 1945, Waiting for the Mahatma 1955, The Guide 1958, The Man Eater of Malgudi 1961, The Vendor of Sweets 1967, and A Tiger for Malgudi 1983. Narayan also wrote number of short stories. Collection include Loy Road 1956, A Horse and the Two Gods and the Other Stories 1970. Under the Banyan Tree and the Other Story 1985 and The Grandmother's Tale 1993. In addition to works of non-fiction, he also published shortened modern prose versions of two Indian epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, in 1972 and 1978 respectively. Basically, this chapter, the Malgudi Times, or we can say the MCC, is based on the one of the famous TV show Malgudi Times also. If you want, you can also see the series of this show, the Malgudi Times, through internet. So as I told you, this is one of the short episode of his famous work of Swami and Friends. We can say Swami and Friends 1935. So what are the main characters of this episode? There are three main characters of this episode: Rajam, Mani and Swami. So we will see how these three children were want to make a cricket club, what was their experience, how they want to collect their sports material, who was the leader among them, who was just a aggressive person. These all things we will reveal in this chapter. And as this chapter based on some, we can say this chapter includes some direct and indirect speech also. And yes, we have a very interesting chapter, the MCC. So let's start our chapter, the MCC. So for that, I told you, student, you have to take out your books and you have to read along with me. What shall we call it? Don't you know it is the MCC, said Raja. That is Hop's team, isn't it? They may drag us before a court if we take their name. So, in starting 2 4 lines, the children were discussing about the cricket team name. So, Rajan suggested MCC, but they said that it is already the name of one team, and it is everybody knows if somebody has already taken the name of the team, you cannot take your same name for your team. So he said that is Hop's team, isn't it? Who say that? If we get into any trouble, I shall declare before the judge that MCC stands for Malgudi Cricket Club. But the person Rajam was very clever. He was not ready to listen the other person. He said if we got in trouble, then he must declared before the judge that MCC means Malguni Cricket Club, as they all three were lived in a village, and that village name is Malguni. Swaminath was a little disappointed, though as MCC it sounded imposing, the name was really a bit tame. He was saying that yes, MCC was very impressive name, but he was thinking it is little bit a bit tame, means it is not that much innovative. I think we had better try some other name, Rajam. So here Swami, or we can say Swaminatham, was not agree with the Rajam suggestion. He wanted to try better suggestion for the team name. What would you suggest? Now Rajam was asking, what would you suggest? Well, I am for Friends 11. Friends 11 or say Jumping Star, said Swaminatham. Now, Swaminatham has suggested two names, Friends 11 or Jumping Stars. So, now you understand what they are trying to do. In this paragraph, they are trying to find out the name of their cricket team. Oh, that is not bad. Not bad, you know. I don't think it would be glorious to call ourselves Jumping Star. Rajan instantly had a vision of newspaper report. The Jumping Star sounding thrashed the board high score 11. Now what Rajan was trying to see, he was a very innovative person, or we can say he has a foresight. So he is trying to vision the name of a team on the newspaper. It is a beauty, I think, he cried, moved by the vision. And when he see his vision, and he thought that it is a beauty, he pulled out a piece of paper and pencil and said, "Come on, Swami, repeat the names that come to your head." Now, what they are trying to do, they are trying to write each name on the paper so they can finally come into the conclusion. It would be better to have a long list to select from. We shall underline jumping stars and MCC and give them special consideration. Come on. So now what they are doing, the three were writing the suggestions on the paper, and from these suggestions they would select the name for their team. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn how the kids of that time were thinking, what their, we can say, what were their problems, how they sorted these problems. And basically this is a story based on a small town of south named Malguni, where these children, or they were friends, they tried to sort their daily life problems. Swaminath remained thoughtful and started. Friends 11, Jumping Stars, Friends Union. I have Friends Union already here, Rajam said, pointing to the list. Swaminathan went on. Exclusers. I have got it. Excluser Union, Champion 11. A long pause. Are you dried up? Rajam asked. No, if money were here, he would have suggested a few more names. Champion 11. You have just said it. Victory Union 11. That is very good. I think it is very, very good. People would be afraid of us. He held the list before him and read the names with great satisfaction. He had struggled hard on the previous night to get a few names, but only Friends Union and the Exclusers kept coming till he felt fatigue. But what a lot of names Swaminatham was able to reel off. Can you meet me tomorrow evening, Swami? I shall get money down. Let us select a name. So here they try to selecting the name of their cricket team, and there were lot of suggestion for the name, and these suggestion they wrote down in a paper, and now they trying to figure out the correct name for their cricket team. So as I told you, in this chapter we have three main characters: Rajam, Swaminatham, which known as Swami also, and Mani. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do our we can say some word meaning. So now I am going to give you small homework. What you have to do, you have to underline 5 difficult words and find out the meaning of those difficult words from the dictionary. And what, from where you have to underline this you have to underline from first 2 pages of your English book. As I am having a old book, I am having page number 98 and 99. So your homework, you have to underline the 5 difficult words from page number 98 and 99 and find out the meaning from the dictionary. And in our next session we'll continue our chapter, the MCC. Now everybody knows, here we know the MCC means, according to these 3 children, is Malguni Cricket Club. But what actually the MCC name, we will reveal in the next session. Okay students, now again I am saying, read, read, read. Read the chapter thrice, more than 3 times, but reading is must. Okay student, have a good day. Sai Ram.